just carrying on with these tips, just a short introduction to layers. As you know, all markups created on the markups list are in the form of layers, and if you find yourself getting very crowded on the workspace or lots of different takeoffs, you can actually create layers and turn them on and off. So I'll just quickly demonstrate, and supposing we just wanted to hide a particular takeoff to make other things clearer, what you can do, you can go in, you can grab hold of a particular item. Let's go for this 2 skins of blockwork I've measured here. Highlight the whole lot. Right click, go down to layer, scroll across to create new layer. Give the layer a name. I always think it's a good idea to give the layer the same name as the subject or the markup tool, whatever you want to call it. So proceed to name that. Come over to your markups list where you manage your columns, go into the columns menu, go down to layer. Now if you can see in the layers column, there's a small icon that is the layer we've just created, and if we browse back to the drawing we were actually on, you can see in that column there's a sort of little eye icon. If you just go ahead and click that, it turns it off. You notice that the corresponding 2 skins markup on the workspace has actually disappeared. So that's a solution if you get very busy, very crowded workspace. I hope that helps somebody.